as you can tell by that video, see how I'm kind of feeling today. I've kind of had a cold and whatnot, but you know, my little guy's there helping me, and that makes it all better. But I don't know, that'll kind of go with the motif of this video, I guess. Just had an off night and an off day, but it is what it is. You got to keep pushing sometimes. We'll see. You know, I'll get it cleaned up eventually, and we'll get this supercharger mounted. But here's a quick video. All I was doing here was finishing disassembling everything so I can get everything clean, you know, getting the final wiring harness and the alternator brackets and all that off. Kind of giving you an update. Man, this thing's kind of drawn some attention, sometimes in not a good way. I've had a ton of people trash me on Facebook groups and stuff, saying it ain't gonna work and sheet metal intake this and yada yada yada. I mean, it's kind of weird to me that it's already been proven. There's some stuff on YouTube of this working already, so kind of odd. But you know, whatever. Haters gonna hate. I'm gonna send it with a smile. So can't wait to do burnouts with this thing. But man, first comes first. I can't work on something that's dirty, man. I've got to get it cleaned up. So I'm gonna get it cleaned up, see what it looks like. One thing to note, I am gonna be, these are steel heads because it's the 99 to 0260. I'm gonna be putting a set of 862s, and I'll be totally honest, that's what I got laying around. They're free. I can put springs on them off the engine pretty easily right now, clean them up and get them ready to go. I might even hand lap the valves, kind of old school, you know. But that'll all come, you know. I'll put a cam and whatnot in this thing. But right now, like I said, boring video, just getting this thing cleaned up and kind of an update. Getting this thing ready to actually mount the intercooler and supercharger onto the intake, you know, and get it square and all that. That's the hard part. Man, I'm kind of excited. I'm gonna use lasers and all kinds of stuff, so excuse my French. So, you know, you can always admit when you're got a bad idea. I just, for some reason, didn't want to have to load this thing up, pressure wash it, yada, yada. Which I got a pressure washer here. Guess that's what I'll do. I don't know if you fellas can see this, but they're picking up peanuts today. But man, this is right across the street from me. If you can't tell, they're hauling cotton too down my yard. But man, it is a dusty deal, I tell you. Let me see, there's a third one running somewhere. Anyways, I don't see, that's across the road from me there, but pretty cool, man. pretty cool. You know, just doing what I should have done the first time. I guess I don't know, eating crow in a way. Well, here it is, fellas, in all its glory. You know, I didn't focus too much up here on the valve covers and up top. You can still see it's pretty nasty. But down low, it looks like new. Man, like I said, new set of heads. I'll have new valve covers, new valley cover, all that good jazz. So, you know, that's the deal. Let me get my plugs out of here. All right, I'm gonna drain the oil real quick and probably flip it upside down just to make sure you don't get nothing crazy in there. Just draining the oil, making sure everything's good there. Everything seems to be kosher. The oil actually looks pretty clean. Maybe not. Doesn't have water in it, I guess I should say. But I'm anxious to pull these heads off and check everything out. See y'all later.